it's okay. Mama's here. Earthquake shriek? What? Those guys were extinct.
Well, then that is one angry fossil. Sid!
Come on, inside.
Nobody move a muscle. Don't cry. We are poor little lambs who have lost our way. Sid! Give them to her! She's their mother!
How do I know she's their mother?
What do you want, a birth certificate? She's a dinosaur!
I put in the blood, sweat, and tears to raise them.
For a day! Give them back, you lunatic!
Look, these are my kids. You're gonna have to go through me to get them.
Don't you have anything better to do?